Hey everyone, if your team wants to create tutorials, training materials, and process documentation more efficiently, Guidde AI can be a powerful collaboration tool. In this video, I'll show you how to use Guidde AI for teams in 2026. First, sign in to your Guidde AI account and create or join your team's workspace. A shared workspace allows team members to collaborate on guides, manage content, and keep documentation organized in one place. Next, invite your teammates to the workspace. Depending on your plan, you can usually add members by entering their email addresses and assigning appropriate access permissions. Once the guide is ready, share it through direct links, team workspaces, knowledge bases, or embedded content. This makes it easy for employees and stakeholders to access information whenever they need it. For the best results, encourage team members to keep guides updated whenever workflows change. Regular updates help ensure that documentation remains accurate and useful over time. And that's how to use Guidde AI for teams in 2026. It's a simple way to improve collaboration, streamline training, and create professional documentation at scale. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.